Welcome back to Electric Side of Things. Today we are looking at a new tool I bought today. Channellock crimpers and cutters. I have a Channellock pliers and cutters. They seem to work pretty good. Seem like a good quality, nice and strong. I love my cutters, so I bought these for crimping because I have a clawing crimper, but sometimes it's too big to fit in there, so I bought this new one. So I'm going to test it out and I'll let you guys see how it goes, because I think I like them. They feel nice, strong. They feel like they're made well. Here's a number on it. US 10 to 22, AWG only, aluminum and copper. Yeah, well, I needed one of them. So here we go. I will let you see how it works out. If you like this idea of tool reviews and how it works, let me know. Subscribe. And I will buy more tools and show you how it works. I have a video coming up. I bought 3 terminal drivers from Amazon. They were cheap. So I have a Klein one right here, but it is nice, but I keep on losing this stupid tip. Tip falls out easy. Little tips, see? And once you lose it, it's kind of useless. So I keep on trying to be careful not to lose it, but at the same time, I'd rather not even bother using it. So I had one that's like this, but not interchangeable. It was just like the whole tip was all in one piece, and I liked that one. I lost it. It fell out of my pocket, which I was pissed off about, but it cost $39. So I was going to replace it again and buy one of these, but I found it was $7. One was $7, the other one was $6, the other one was $7. When I get them from Amazon, I will open them up and show you, and we'll review them, see how the quality compares to these ones. Okay, have a good day, be safe, take care, subscribe, like the videos. The more likes and subscribes I get, the more I can help others. Thank you, bye bye.